Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create like the simple logo reveal animation in the After Effects. So make sure watch till the end. Also, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So this is the composition layer and size is 9020 by 1080 and duration 7 seconds. So these logo layers are separate. So first select all of these layers, control to duplicate and move it up and change the color of this. So I'm going to make it yellow and these are outlines. So select all of these layers and disable the fill, make the fill none and make the stroke white and stroke with 5 pixels. Alright, so let's name it circle outline, and this is the triangle outline, and this is the square outline. Now draw a circle, bigger circle like this, and make the stroke none and fill white. Go to the beginning and go to the effect preset panel and search transform and apply onto this circle layer and rename it fill circle. And go to the beginning, at the position keyframes, go to the few seconds forward and move this circle down like this. Alright, so we are using this transform property to move it down. Okay, now it will animate like this. So press U to see these keyframes and select both of these keyframes, press F9 to ease them. Okay, again select the fill circle layer, control to duplicate, move it right side so that it can cover entire this second logo layer. Okay, so now select this again, control to duplicate, move it right side. This time it should cover this third layer. Okay, now rename it fill square, and this one is fill triangle. Select all of these fill layers and disable it, and select this fill circle first and change the color of this. So I'm going to make this first color, and the triangle color is this, and third is green. Now select this pen tool and draw a path. First disable the fill and draw a path like this. You have to create like this path. Our ball will be moved onto this path. Okay, so name it path. Now draw a circle, little small circle, and make the fill white. Anchor point should be in the center of the circle. Right now it's here, so hold control and double click on this pen behind tool. Now anchor point is the center, and name it ball, and select this path layer, expand the path layer, expand the contents, expand the shape one, expand the path. Select this path, control C to copy, and select the ball, press P, select this position and go to the beginning and control V to paste, and your ball will move onto this path. So we have to select all of these fill layers. So this is the fill layers, and select all of this fill layer and press U, select the fill circle layer and move it to the right side, and it should be aligned with this keyframe. So select this fill triangle layer, and right now ball is touching the triangle here, so move this fill triangle to the right side, align with the ball keyframe. Now select the fill square layer and move it to the right side, and ball is touching the square here, so move it to the left side, align with this keyframe. Enable all of these fill layers and see the animation. Okay, so now we have to do one thing. So select the fill circle and make the mask with the circle, and triangle mask with this triangle, and square mask with this square. So select the fill, and we have to make the track math with this circle, and this triangle mask with this triangle, and fill square mask with the square. So it will animate like this. Right now it's too early, so I will move it little bit right side again. Move it little left and go to the beginning of the keyframe. In the starting, logo fill is too much, so select this fill circle layer and move the transform position property up like this. And triangle fill also too much in the beginning. So select the fill triangle and move the position up like this. And this is also too much. So let's move it up a little bit more. Alright, so this is looking good. So select all circle layers. So this circle and this outline circle and fill circle. Right click, pick composite. Layer 1 and select the second layers. This one, outline and triangle. Right click, name it layer 2. Now select the third square layers, outline and fill the square. Right click, pick composite, name it layer 3. Now we have to make the anchor point in the center of each layer. So select this circle and move it in the center here, and select the triangle layer and move the anchor point in the center, and select the square and move the anchor point in the center of the square. So now whenever ball is coming near to this circle, this one first layer, select the first layer, press P at the position keyframe, press R at the rotation keyframe, press U to see these keyframes, and go to the few seconds forward like here and move it down a little bit. Let's rotate it minus 40 degree. Okay, so again go to the few seconds forward again and select both of these starting keyframes and Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Now it will animate like this. So we have to do the same things at the here. Whenever ball is coming near to the triangle, select this layer, press P at the position keyframe, press R at the rotation keyframe, and press U to see these keyframes. Go a few seconds forward again and move it down and make the rotation minus 40 and select both of these keyframes, Ctrl C to copy, go a few seconds forward again and Ctrl V to paste. Do the same thing here, select the layer 3 and add the position keyframe whenever ball is coming near to this third layer. So press P and add the position keyframe and press Alt at the rotation keyframe, press U to see these keyframes. Go again few seconds forward and move it down and make this rotation value minus 40 and go again few seconds forward. Select both of these starting keyframes, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. So this animation is looking good. Now select all of these keyframes, F9 to ease them. Now select everything, right click, pre-compose it and name it logo animation. Okay, so now select the logo animation layer, Ctrl to duplicate, right click, transform and flip vertical and move it under the layer like this, and go to the project panel and select this logo animation layer, Ctrl to duplicate and hold Alt and drag and drop onto this. Now rename it, so name it reflection and make this layer 3D. Press R, rotate the X rotation like this. Okay, press S and scale up the size little bit if you need. Press S, unlink the scale and increase the logo height like this. Now adjust the reflection and logo height as per your need. Now go to the effect and preset panel and search Gaussian blur and apply onto this reflection layer and untick this repeat edge pixels and expand the blurriness value. So let's make it around 152. Okay, so after that select the rectangle and create a mask onto this reflection and expand the mask and increase the mask feather and press T and decrease the opacity of this. And this animation is completed, and I hope you like this video guys, and if you like this please hit the like and subscribe the channel. If you have any question regarding this tutorial you can ask in the comment. So meet you in the next video. Till then take care and keep creating. Bye bye.